I thought it would be interesting for you to know that Science Daily recently reported that going out to eat puts you at risk for chemicals like phthalates that are linked to fertility problems, pregnancy complications, and other health issues. If there wasn't enough, I know I talked a lot in my book about all the money you can save not eating out, but then I also tell people, like, listen, if you can make life easier for yourself and you can afford to, buy some things that are already prepped to make life easy for you, then do that. At the end of the day, the goal is to be healthy, and not just healthy physically when it comes to food, but also when it comes to thoughts and your finances, your career, all these different areas of life. So we want to keep everything in balance. Now, with this new news that you're exposed to chemicals, right? Which we kind of already knew, because you don't really have control over all of the ingredients that people are using in the foods that you're buying outside. So it's just a good reminder to just try and prepare as much as you can at home. And for me personally, I like to make things really, really simple because I am not a chef, and I don't really like to spend too much time in the kitchen. At the same time, I love food that tastes good, and I need it done quickly because I'm busy. So I'll put a link to the article from Science Daily so you can learn more, especially if you know someone who's having fertility issues. Maybe the fix they need is just to make some meals at home. And there's a list of other things like, releasing excess fat, because I know for some women that's an issue, not consuming hormones, maybe staying away from plastic bottles, plastic water bottles, staying away from different chemical products that could be messing with the hormonal balance. There's a lot of different things. But anyway, I'll put the link to this in the description to this video, and also show you what I tend to eat during the week. So this is all my meal prep for the meals that I've had since our last episode, probably a little bit before that as well. So I just went grocery shopping. Let me show you what I got. Welcome to my grocery haul. Laura bars, pecan, 3 ingredients. It's only dates, pecans, and almonds. So I got 2 of those. What else did I got? 2 bunches of dandelion greens. I got bananas. Bananas on top of bananas on top of bananas. And these have to go into a paper bag so I can ripen them. I'm just using the actual beetroots. Beetroot. I just got 1 bulb because I got a lot of other stuff. Fennel. Great for the digestive system and great for menstrual health. On to apples. I got a whole bunch of apples that I'm going to juice. Yes, I am. I'm gonna juice some. I'm gonna juice these lemons. Not sure why I got a bag for these, but these bags, I reuse them in the juicer anyway, so they're gonna get used instead of just tossed. I always reuse and then I recycle. So lemons to juice. Ginger. Some more ginger root. And then I got, bam! Tricolor quinoa. I like this because it's already rinsed and washed, so I literally just throw it in the pot. 15 minutes, I'm done. Just add my seasonings. So that's it for my grocery haul. So let me show you what I actually do with these ingredients. First, I'm making a juice with dandelion, pineapple, and lemon. Next up, I would say is my smoothie of the week with blueberries, creamer, dates, almond butter, arugula, all organic. Okay, so next I'm making a juice with the beets that I got. I'm using celery, beets, and ginger. So next is one of my favorite juices with fennel. I really love fennel. It's great for the digestive system. And I added a digestive boost with ginger, 2 apples, and of course, 1 beet. All right, so here I'm making a smoothie with pineapple, lemon, 4 bananas, which tends to be my staple in every smoothie, which I think I explained before why I use 4 bananas. Mint, I use I try and weigh like maybe 2 sprigs of mint, and organic baby kale. And of course I put it in my hydro flask. I really love this bottle because it keeps everything fresh and cold. This bottle is about 32 ounces, but I actually made about 48 ounces of smoothie, so I had to put the leftover in another bottle, which is a cheaper bottle, BPA-free plastic reusable bottle. But I had to go, so that was my breakfast for that morning. Okay, so now I'm making quinoa, and I'm gonna season it with flax oil, olive oil, coconut nectar, this chili lime spice that Trader Joe's has that I'm absolutely in love with, and I put on everything, and garlic powder, which of course I love garlic. I put it on everything. tend to always add avocado to my quinoa to make it feel more satiating and more full. The texture just feels better to me, so it just completes the meal. So that's one way to have quinoa. Another way I had quinoa this week was I put it on a bed of arugula and I added a cashew dressing. And if you want the recipes for any of this stuff, most of it is in the 30-day raw vegan challenge. I'll put the link for that in the description below. So I basically just made a quinoa arugula salad with this cashew dressing. And no, this is not a raw meal. This is how I fuse the two together sometimes in meals if I want something warm. So it's like a dinner option. You can even take it for lunch also, but I cook my quinoa. I don't sprout my quinoa. Hey, are you looking to release excess body fat, sleep better, and feel more comfortable in your body? I can help you get there. Join me as we go through goal setting, meal planning, establishing an exercise routine that's fun, and properly hydrating your body for weight loss success and optimal health. Get the individualized attention you need to finally reach your health goals. The number one challenge people face with reaching their health goals is consistency. By the end of this program, you'll have a consistent exercise routine and consistent healthy eating habits. I've also included some bonus material on the exact strategies I use to figure out what areas in my body needs the most support and what to do to support and nourish it. So click on the link to get started, and I look forward to seeing you soar to your goals.